Stop. If you think mutable means can change and immutable means cannot change, then you are missing the deepest secret in coding. Let's prove it with Python. So I am here taking value of x is equal to 100 and value of y is equal to x. So now both x and y are 100. Let me change the value of x is equal to 500. The value of x will be printed as 500. What do you think what will be the value of y? It will not be a 500, it will be the 100. Why? The true answer is memory and references. So let's understand with the demonstration. So when you first created the x, what Python did is Python put the value of 100 in the memory location. So both x and y are pointing to value 100. Those are just the references pointing towards the same spot. So when you change the value of x is equal to 500, the reference of x is got changed to 500 and this got vanished, but the y is still referring to the 100. That's why we are able to see the value of x is 500 and value of y is still 100. This is the core immutability. You can change what variable references, not the original value itself. Master this and you will instantly understand Python much deeper.